Welcome back, dear designers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create the Tinder swipe interaction using Figma. I have already created a design for this tutorial. Now let's add a card using the rectangle tool. Now let's add an image to it. Copy the image from the folder using Ctrl+C shortcut. Then select the rectangle and use Ctrl+V for pasting it into the rectangle. Now I'm gonna create another rectangle to generate the shadow for it. Arrange the rectangle to the back. Change the border radius to 35 pixels. Now I'm gonna change the background color. I'm picking the color from the image. Next I'm gonna go to the effects section, then I will choose the layer blur option. I'm gonna change the blur value to 60. After that I'm gonna use the circle tool to create two buttons. The first one will be a close button with black background and the other one with a heart icon with light red background. Now I'm gonna make two copies of the card with the image. Then I will change the images of it. I will change the shadow color similar to the images. Now let's duplicate the first frame. Select the first rectangle with the image and rotate it to 30 degrees. Move the card out of the frame. Don't forget to select Clip Content option for the frame. Now change the opacity value to 0. This will create a nice fading effect when we select Auto Animate in the prototype mode. After that, make a copy of the second frame. Select the remaining card and rotate it to -30 degrees. Now move the card towards the right side until it is almost out of the frame. Then change the opacity value to 0. Now go to the prototype mode. Now click on the first frame and drag all the way to the second frame to form an interaction. Select the interaction type, on drag, and animation to Smart Animate. Now click on the second frame and drag all the way to the third frame to form an interaction. Select the interaction type, on drag, and animation to Smart Animate. After that, click on the third frame and drag all the way to the first frame to form an interaction. This time I'm gonna select the interaction type, on tap. The animation type will be Auto Animate. Click on the play button to view the prototype. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video.